Hi everyone! Welcome back to Burkeshire Farm. I'm Jackie.
Hi everyone, I'm Frank.
And today
is a super duper update from Burkeshire Farm. You know, everyone, when we came out here to Texas, we rented a home for a year in Springs, just outside of Houston, and we basically lived out of boxes. And then after a year, we moved everything that we had out here to the farm and have lived in a travel trailer for about 8 months.
Yep.
Trying to get this Barndominium to a point where we could move in. And we're in our mid to late 50s. We decided three and a half years ago that this was a journey that we wanted to take. And we started looking for property in Texas, and we came upon this property, 33 acres here in Texas. We bought it. Well, today is a super duper update. We have actually been staying the night in our Barndominium the last couple of nights.
Yes, in a room that didn't feel like a cave.
And the Barndominium is far from being 100% livable. It's not. We still go over to the travel trailer and we bathe in the travel trailer because it's got a small shower and whatnot. We do have a shower that works in here, but believe it or not, we're doing our dishes in it.
Yeah, it's actually the kitchen sink instead of a shower, so we don't want to take a shower when we do our dishes.
Exactly. So
and we don't have hot water yet.
And yeah, we don't have hot water. And we want to bring you along with us today because we've been living in a construction zone. And as you can see behind us, it is literally. In fact, we have boxes that have not even been opened up other than to try to find certain things throughout the day that we need. So we're going to get all these boxes cleaned up. We're going to get all this stuff cleaned up. We're going to get our patio cleaned up. We got a back patio that looks the same way, a construction zone, because back there I was building a deck and there's still construction that's going on back there. We want to get it cleaned up today. We want to bring you along with us because we are camping in our Barndominium.
But it's much nicer to camp in a house than it is in the travel trailer.
It is.
Travel trailer is great for a weekend or a week or two, but 8 months, it's time.
It's time. It's past time. Thank you very much for clicking on our channel, and come on along with us. Problem is the wind blows it back
Okay,
on.
this isn't working, honey.
The wind blows it up as fast as
Okay, so the wind's kicked up and the sweeping isn't working.
Alright, so, well, that feels a lot better. Looks a lot better.
It certainly does.
Now, for the super duper surprise that we have for everybody, we have stayed the last couple nights in our Barndominium.
Now, it's definitely nowhere near ready, but we have enough running water to be able to use a bathroom. We have one bathroom almost completely done. there is running water in the tub, which we are using as the kitchen sink. And there is a workable toilet. So, and Frank also put a vanity light in there, so we have lights. So that's kind of like an all-purpose room right now. To take showers, we still go into the RV we still go into the travel trailer to take our showers. That's still going to be a while before we can do that. But come on in and let's see what we're doing inside.
Yep, we want to show you where we're at.
Well, welcome to Burkeshire Farm's home. We are finally here. Like we said, we are not 100% done. In fact, we're not even close to being done. But you can see over here, we have our firebox that is actually on the back burner. No pun intended. But it's not winter time, so we're not worried about that just yet. That is in a project that we will be doing when actually it's a little bit cooler, because that roof is not going to be pleasant at 100+ degrees. And then we come over to our kitchen. And you can see that we have actually put some of the cabinets together. We've made a makeshift little island. We're able to put some of our food and some of our dishes out here. We of course have a full-size stove and oven, so now I can actually cook something bigger than this in the stove, in the oven. And then we also were able to get the refrigerator. It was not an easy task, but we were able to get the refrigerator into the house.
And over on this side, we've got enough things in our master bedroom we can stay in the master bedroom now. Like I say, you can see there's still switches and plugs and things hanging out of the wall. It's far from being completely ready to move in, but you know what? It sure beats a travel trailer, and we've been in that travel trailer now for about eight and a half months, and it's time. It just feels so good to have some room. You can see I've been working on the flooring. Here's all the tile in the kitchen. This over here on this side is all grouted in. It's grouted up to the point of the island, and then over here, I still got more grout to do on this side, but it's okay, we can walk on it. Here's all the laminate flooring that was done. I did all the laminate flooring in the master bedroom and in the living room. And this is not a video about installing laminate flooring. If you'd like to see laminate flooring, we're going to put you a link right up here.
Then we come in here to our multi-purpose room. The shower tub is working 100%. We don't use it, as we said, outside when we were up. We don't use this, like we said before, we use the travel trailer, but we are using it as a kitchen sink. We wash our dishes here, we wash our hands here. This is the only functioning running water in the house as far as a sink. The toilet is also working too, so yay, 2 thumbs up on that one. But the sink, of course, here is not working because we don't have countertops. It's going to be one of those big expenses that we're going to have to bite the bullet and go ahead and get pretty soon. And Frank does have the vanity light going. The bulbs are a little bit bright, but it's what we have right now.
So there you are. We wanted to bring you along with us for this. We are finally in our Barndominium. Granted, it's not even close to being 100% livable. It's not, but you know what?
No, it's livable.
It's livable, so long as we go over to the trailer and take a shower. But we've been cooped up in that travel trailer for almost 8.5 months now. We're done. We got lots of room. We've got air conditioning. We've got room to move, and this is awesome. I'm going to bring you along. And for all that that have subscribed, thank you so much for your subscriptions. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for clicking on our channel and watching our videos. If you're not subscribed, please consider. We'd love for you to join us on this journey out here building this Barndominium. By all means, consider hitting that like button. It helps us out here on the farm. It brings our videos out in front of more and more people. And until next time,
have a blessed day.
God bless.